The reality is that the government here is using this RICO charge in order to find a way to get in front of the jury all of these other salacious activities that they want to, in order to get past the statute of limitations. And let's talk about that for a second. 2016 is when this video apparently was taken of Diddy's ex-girlfriend and that incident that happened in the hotel that I'm sure all of you are familiar with. That's outside of the statute of limitations. She doesn't file a lawsuit until I believe 2023, raising all of these other allegations. Again, all outside the statute of limitations. But the government decided to charge this as a racketeering case, even though we're not in the mob, and this definitely doesn't look like a mob. They decided to charge this racketeering case so that they could expand the statute of limitations and get at that conduct and argue that that is criminal, as well as get in every other party that Diddy had and every other allegation from every other accuser that was relatively stale and old. So the government is going to have to try to make this look like a criminal enterprise, but what they're really going to have are a few people, maybe even a few dozen people who are going to come forward and say, yeah, I went to that party. Yeah, I knew it was Diddy. Yeah, I knew strange things happened at Diddy parties. Yeah, things started to happen at the Diddy party. Yep, I stuck around. I remained there. Why? Because he promised me I would get a record deal. Or it would have been a problem if I left. Or there was some subtle pressure or something. I haven't seen personally information yet raised by any witness who's been identified that gives me an indication that there was enough force or coercion for a jury to convict here.